Hey guys, in this video I will show how you can install Postman on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS operating system. So let's get started. First of all, open your terminal. Inside the terminal, type this command sudo snap install Postman and press enter. Enter sudo user password. This will start installing Postman on your Ubuntu operating system. Wait until progress shows 100%. Now Postman installation is complete. You can see a message saying Postman is installed. You can close the terminal. Now go to the show apps section. You can see Postman icon listed here. You can also search for Postman inside the search bar. Click on the Postman icon to launch Postman. The Postman has been launched. If you want to explore full features of Postman, you will need to create a free Postman account using your email. But if you don't want to create a free Postman account, you can click the link at the bottom which says continue without an account. I will click on this link, but it is recommended that you create a free Postman account so that full features of Postman tool is available. You can unlock these Postman features with a Postman account. Instead, you can choose Open Lightweight API Client to proceed without a Postman account. I will click on this Open Lightweight API Client. The Postman interface is visible now. From here, you can select the HTTP request method. In this text box, enter the API URL to which you need to send the request. Click on this send button to send the API request. So in this video, we have seen how to install Postman on Ubuntu operating system. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching.